Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you're taking a look at a product that is made by DeerValley. This is the Tankless Smart Bidet Toilet. What makes this toilet particularly unique is one, you've got a temperature controlled water wash. It also has the drying feature plus the heated seat, and it has a built-in battery supply. So in the event if you have a power outage, this thing does have backup power to continue to flush, which for me, that was one of the awesome features as to why I went with this product. So let's go ahead and dive right in, get this thing unboxed and installed. So check it out for the next slide. Before I go to put the toilet in, the best way to actually get this thing installed is once you lift up the toilet seat here, you're gonna lift up on this side here, pushing the back direction, and it's gonna snap right off. There's two holes down on the bottom in there that you're going to want to make sure put our bolts through. There. Nice. Okay. Now that the water's turned on, let's let it fill for a minute and plug right into power. Sweet. We got our power plugged in on the wall. We've got our sealant around the toilet all the way around. Awesome. And we got our remote. Let's get a close look here. Nice. Flip this guy around because this is where our settings are at. And that's where our batteries go in, 2 AAAs. All right, guys, here we have it. The Tankless Smart Toilet. We've got the heated seat, we've got a bidet, we've got an air dryer, we have all the remote functionality right here. So if you are looking to step up your full enjoyment of being able to use the bathroom or just have that private time needs and you don't want to use toilet paper anymore, you definitely got to check out this bidet toilet because it's really not just going to change your experience, it is going to change the culture of your lifestyle in the bathroom. So check it out for yourself. I highly guarantee you guys are going to love it. So what we have right here is a real nice ergonomical design toilet. Plugs right into power. We have the automatic smart lift. Once you approach the toilet here, we've got an automatic lift. On top of that, we have an awesome little nightlight. Now this is a dual flush sense technology toilet. So when you go to sit down, it's going to give an automatic short rinse, and then it has multiple flush features. So we have a foot flush right here, which what is cool about that, if we kick this little flush button, it's going to lift that seat. So for those of you guys out there who happen to stand to use the restroom, this is a great way to be able to get to your toilet needs being completely hands-free. Let's go ahead and press that button. Nice slow feature when it comes to the automatic lid shutting. And we have our flush. Now over on the side, we also have our knob button. You can press this right here to give you those extra features for the flush, including the adjustments on the toilet. And we also have our remote control feature. Now what's awesome about this, you can control your seat temperature from turning it off to on to hot. You can also change your bidet temperature, and you can also, what's nice, this is the air dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the clean nozzle real quick here, just so we can take a look at this. Check that out. That is our bidet nozzle. Now this is for a front and rear wash. So that way, when you happen to be washing, let's go ahead and flip this around real quick. So you've got stop, front wash, rear, the dryer, and we have the flush. Up here, you're also going to notice that we have the close and open for the seat cover, as well as we have the lid. So 2-position flushes. Why I recommend the DeerValley toilet. With this toilet, you have adjustable temperature from 93 degrees to 102 degrees. And on top of that, when you're doing your nozzle for your bidet, let's go ahead and put this guy out here. So we're going to notice that you can adjust how far in and out you want your bidet. But what's also nice about it, you can set this thing up to massage while you're washing and cleaning. And you can even adjust the water temperature for your clean. See the dial right there on the side? So this lets you know how hot you have your seat temperature. So let's go ahead and turn our seat temperature down. And we can turn it off. So depending on what you want your settings for, that is your temperature adjustments. Now the DeerValley toilet that I have here, this is rated for 4.8 liters of volume per flush with a rating of 1.28 gallons of water flow per flush. Now, DeerValley has done an excellent job with the design of this particular toilet, especially having 3 different certifications. That is being certified from the CEC, the CUPC, and the EPA. So if you're looking for a really efficient toilet that is going to give you a lot of powerful features and is going to have the benefit of making your home run efficiently, you got to get this toilet. I highly encourage you're going to love it because it changes your whole experience. It changes your lifestyle. This thing is going to be incredibly enjoyable all year round because you can adjust this thing to your liking and everybody inside your home is going to be incredibly pleased. So check it out for yourself. I highly encourage it. Thank you guys for watching.